Hi and welcome. I wanted to just walk through the address book for you now that we sell over in our Etsy shop. And I know it's always good to see inside a document before you purchase it. This is obviously a hyperlinked document. So this is the second page, which is the index. And as you can see, it's designed really to function with the menu bar. As you can see, every letter, A to Z, that's what's in it. There's 3 pages already in for each letter. And then there's the blank address template that you can copy and paste and add anywhere you like. Now, let me show you, let's go to D, say for instance, and let me show you the indexes. So there's 2 indexes in this document. I love lots of indexes. This index will always get you back to your home index. So that on every page, you will get back to the home index there. And you can get to any other letter. So if you just wanted to go to H, you can go to H. And if you swipe left, you can see, okay, we're on page 24. If we swipe again, and I know it looks the same, we're on page 25 now. And this is another H. And so you can write, obviously, however you want. And then you can go back to D and you can write here. Now, D is page 12. If we go to the next D, it's page 13. So you've got the ability to duplicate. But what you can also do, you've got the ability to, have as many D's pages as you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 people or contact information on each one. But what you can also do is if you go to the grid view, here you can see that D is the hyperlinked page. So when you press the D, it gets you here. These sit underneath that hyperlinked page, right? So this E here is the hyperlinked page. The first one is the hyperlinked page, and then all the others sit underneath it. And so there's only a couple of swipes that you need depending on how big your address book is. But here's what you can do. Let's just deselect those. You could, if you did have 1, 2, 3, if you filled all those up, you could get this page, and up the top here are your options. You could duplicate it. And you can see that's another D page. Now remember, the first one is hyperlinked and the others sit underneath it. And so you could just swipe to that one. So now, if we go back here, let's deselect that. Let's tap on that. We are on that page. We will swipe 4 times now, right? So this is page 12. Let's swipe 13, 14, and now you'll see page 15. There's a 4th page. And so that also brings me to when you're in the index and you think, oh, I need another page for something, whatever that may be. You can see this one is a blank page. And again, you can go to your grid view. And that's all fixed now for large PDFs. I've got a video about that if you are interested. But here it is here. You can just press it. I'll show you how to duplicate and move. So you duplicate that page. Now with this one, because it's selected, these are the options. We're going to say, let's move it, right? And where do I want to place it? I want to place it, where am I going to place it? Just for the sake of it, I want to place it after the X. Now you can place it before or you can place it after. So I'm going to place it after the X. Now, can you see that blank page? It's got nothing on the top there. It's just a blank page. And you could use it. So then tap on it. And this might be your, let me just change the pen. You might have some service providers at your house, and you might want to keep, the air conditioner, the plumber, the electrician. I mean, it's just an idea. Or you might have a category that you use at work that you might use this page for. So let's again go back to grid view. You can see now that after we moved it to after the X, and you can see that that's where it is. Okay, so that is A to Z with your blank address template. All good. So Having said that, let's go to page 5, just for the sake of it, right? Click go. We're on A. Let's just go to the index. This is your address book, A to Z, and you have a blank address template that you can put your own heading on. That's basically what that's for. And remember, it's tissue paper. That is the address book that we have right now for you. Thank you so much. Leave me a comment, ask a question below. All questions are welcome. Bye.